Re-roofing your home is not unlike any other home improvement project. It starts with selecting the right materials. Now, in the past, when you were trying to pick the right shingle for your house, you had to choose from something about this big. And you can imagine how hard it would be to visualize what your house would look like with this color shingle. Well, nowadays things are a little easier, and there's roof design centers all over the country that will enable you to visualize exactly what a certain type of shingle or a certain color shingle will look like on your home. Recently we dropped in and spoke with Jack McAllister, a manager of one of these stores.
Well, our concept is different simply because we have a lot of choices for the consumer to make. They can come in and look at over 300 different varieties of roofing, an array of different colors, styles, and textures, and makes their decision a lot easier once they become more informed with what a roofing system's all about. When they first come in, we try to focus on what their needs are, whether it be an appearance thing that they're going for, or whether they're looking for something for longevity, whether they be interested in a shingle product or a metal product, and we kind of help them through the decision process. Once that takes place, we then go out to their home. We take digital photographs of the house. We do a very accurate measurement as to what the needs are going to be. We bring that information back. We put it into our Roofscape software, and our Roofscape software gives us the opportunity to literally show the customer exactly the way his roof's going to look once it's completed, before he makes the choice. So if a customer says, well, I'd like to see a green shingle, well, you know, maybe I don't want that. I want to see what metal would look like. We can interchange those in a matter of a few mouse clicks to make the customer feel real comfortable with the decision that he makes.